Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be showing you how to make a wig smaller. So my client sent me a wig that was a medium and she's a size small, so we're going to be making this wig and transforming it from a medium to a small. So I asked her to send me measurements. So our measurements from the forehead all the way to the back of her head was measuring 13 inches, and this wig is measuring 15 inches. So we're going to be reducing that from 15 to 13. So as you can see my hands, I have at least 6 tracks that I need to eliminate and make into 3 tracks. So you need a needle and some thread, and what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking 2 tracks and I'm going to make them into 1. So you're just placing your needle all around the tracks and then you're pulling them together. Now you don't want to pull them too hard, but you also don't want them to be too loose because you want that space to be eliminated. So I'm just putting the needle in between the 2 tracks and I'm making sure I secure it with locking the knot, and I'm making sure that I lock the knot twice just to make sure it does not come off when the client puts on the hair. So now that I'm almost done, what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure the wig and just see how much more tracks I need to turn into 1. If I still need to do the 4 and turn into 2, or if I'll just need to work on the 2 and turn into 1 track. So I'm going to get my measuring tape and we're going to see where we're at. And it looks like we're still a little bit far, so I'm just going to get another track or another set of tracks of 2, and I'm going to make those into 1 and work my way around that. So now after the second pair of tracks, I did notice that we still had a lot of space, so I had to do the last pair of tracks to make into 1, and that kind of worked and measured up to 13 inches. Now this wig is super thick and the tracks are really close to each other, so it was a little bit hard to transform 2 tracks into 1 track. So that's why you see it kind of ruffle a little bit, but it's just because the tracks are so close to each other. But away from that, I think I'm happy with this. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. For me, it's goodbye and see you in my next one.